Welcome back to the Tree Campus English Podcast. I'm Suman, and in episode 8, we'll discuss how to build confidence while speaking English. Whether you're just starting to learn or looking to improve, confidence is key to speaking more fluently. Many learners fear making mistakes or not being understood, but don't worry, confidence comes with practice. Today, I'll share 3 powerful ways to gain confidence when speaking English. 1. Practice in front of a mirror. A great way to boost confidence is by practicing in front of a mirror. It may feel strange at first, but it helps you. Observe your expressions. You can see how your face and body move when you speak, which helps with nonverbal communication. Check your pronunciation. Watching your mouth movements while speaking can help you with difficult sounds like the eth sound or different vowel pronunciations. Build confidence. Seeing yourself speak clearly can be a huge confidence boost, helping you feel more comfortable in real conversations. 2. Join an English-speaking group or practice with AI. Speaking with others helps build confidence, so try joining an English-speaking group or using AI chat on the Tree Campus app. Social practice. When you practice with other learners, you create a supportive, non-judgmental environment where everyone understands that making mistakes is part of the process. Real conversations. Speaking with others gives you the chance to practice real-life conversations, helping improve both your fluency and vocabulary. AI conversations. If you're too shy to speak with others at first, AI chat can be a great way to practice at your own pace. 3. Record yourself speaking. Recording yourself is an excellent way to improve your speaking confidence. Here's why. Spot mistakes. Listening to yourself can help you identify pronunciation issues or other areas to improve. Track progress. As you continue recording, you'll notice improvements in fluency, pronunciation, and confidence. No pressure. Recording removes the fear of judgment, so you can practice as many times as needed until you're happy with your performance. Quick role-play exercise. Let's put these tips into action with a simple role-play exercise. Hi, can you help me find this book? Librarian, sure. What's the title? It's English Conversations Made Easy. Librarian, great. Let me check for you. Practice this scenario in front of a mirror, record yourself, or use an AI chat. The more you practice, the more confident you'll feel. Conclusion. Building confidence in speaking English takes time, but with consistent practice, you'll see progress. Start small with exercises like practicing in front of a mirror, joining English groups, or recording yourself. Remember, everyone makes mistakes, it's part of the learning journey. Download the Tree Campus app for more helpful speaking exercises and continue practicing every day. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you in the next episode.